I'm gonna install the fenders today. I bought the minimizer with the what we call like the fiber finish. And you can see here, it's that kind finish with the lights in the back. I removed some bolts, replace the bolts, and I have to use the spacer. I have to use the spacers like here. Use the spacers so I can pull out a little bit fender this way to be in the center. They give you the spacers for it. I use the spacers. I removed this bracket here. I painted to don't corrode anymore. We're gonna paint one more time because it was a little bit started a little bit like have like spots of corrosion. So I'm gonna paint it to cover the hole. We use one bolt of this what do you call? I forget. It's early morning. Support bar, whatever they call it. It support the frame to don't flex too much. So we use this here, like here. We use this bolt. We replace the bolt. It's the same grade bolt, only longer. This one was a tiny hole, was in the middle. I like about these brackets because you can two fittings. One it can be inside the pipe, and one can be offset. Like at the bottom, so you can choose whatever you're gonna use. So we're gonna use inside in the tube because in the middle gonna look better. It was tiny hole inside. We redraw a little bit bigger hole because I was thinking if I put offset here, use this bolt, gonna be great. Only later I find out it's gonna be too low because the offset bracket was too long, and I wanted to be in the center. The same here was just bolt with nothing in it. Maybe for the future use something. And I just use that bolt. I'm gonna go this way. It's offset right now, and I'm gonna be offset. Only I'm gonna move this way a little bit. I'm gonna paint the bolt again to don't look like that, to don't start corroding. The same here. I remove it's a little bit tiny holes. Maybe I'm gonna repaint a little bit later. This fender is on 2 wheels, and it's going because what happened if you could put a single wheel, the fender goes so low, like up to here, and you can't see if you have a nail. Right now the frame is down because I released the air from the suspension. We're gonna pump the air, gonna go like 4 inches maybe higher, so the fender gonna go higher. You have to install like that with no air in the airbags, because what's gonna happen later if you install with the airbag and you're gonna put like that right now only lower, if you release the air somewhere because you have to go under the trailer or something, you're gonna break the fenders. Or even your truck gonna park for a long time, gonna release the air and gonna break the fenders. So you have to install the fenders with no air in a suspension. And they send instructions say you still have to use 3/4 board. Like I put the 3/4 board here on the top of the tire, on the bar of the fender, to sit on the board. The same here, so you have a little bit more space. It's brand new tires, so you know I don't gonna get bigger tires. Diameter it's gonna be the same, only gonna be wider tires a little bit. Gonna be 295s in the future. We're gonna need the tires. And you see this one installed like that, you don't gonna see the bracket. It's not installed yet, I just put it in. Have to tighten the bolt, and you have to drill the holes and tighten it a little bit, not too much, a little bit, and you start doing in the back. The same here. I'm gonna be go this way, and the brackets there, like you see here, the brackets. Just a second. I bring the truck to the house. The bracket, another bracket, gonna go somewhere right here. I have to remove. I don't know if I can do it with my hand because this is sticky to protect. I think it's a paint or some kind of cover. to protect the bracket so don't get scratched. Oh, sorry. Hey, sorry. I don't mean to. Oh, wait. I forgot about it. I have a stand for it. Okay, stand it here. Mold it here. With the legs. Stick here. Put it up. This is gonna go right here. Right. Yeah, and this piece is gonna go right here. This offset bracket gonna be something like that, or even I can move the fender a little bit this way. Oh, I don't know if I can move it. We're gonna see, because you have to put the all together bracket, because I want to put in the middle. How is it over there? Something like that gonna be. It's supposed to be in the center only. It's gonna be like that somewhere here. Oh, okay, it's not straight. Okay, but this bracket gonna go somewhere here, and another bracket gonna go in the front. Gonna be 3 brackets. Another bracket gonna go somewhere here. Have to mark that out. It's not tight. I just install it so I can. Somewhere here gonna be. We're gonna push in the center somewhere like that. It's gonna go in the center. We're gonna hold the fender here. But this is how this is gonna be. And this light's gonna look so cool because they're like endless. We're gonna look through them and it look like it's never end. And I'm gonna hook up to this light. And I was thinking put the light on the side here. Only I don't gonna do it because I don't know if it's a good idea. Drill the hole. Maybe. Yeah, we're just gonna see right now the lights. You see, there is the light on the side. There is the light in the back. This is how they look. Look cool. It's like almost endless, like it's never end. The light. There is the light where I install it. The same on this side. Same light on the side. The fender. I put the light. There's nothing over there. I drill the hole to the wire. I put the light for it. You see the side light? It's a turn signal too. And this is right now where they turn. The turn signal. I put the 4-way flashes because right now to show you the light. It's almost like endless. You look inside. Like a tube, but it's not. It's just only like inch thick. I think it's a reflection or something like mirror inside. I don't know. LED. There is LEDs. What I did.